What's going on, everyone? It is Christian from RackNerd. Wow, what an amazing year so far. This year, we've accomplished so much. Let's just name a few things. We've doubled down on our presence in Europe by expanding our KVM VPS services to Strasbourg, France. This year, we also totally revamped RackNerd TV on YouTube with a renewed vigor and redefined approach, now with technical tutorials and how-tos. We've also hired and onboarded dozens of new staff across multiple departments, maintaining our 10-minute average support ticket response time. RackNerd customers can always count on us to be there to help, no matter the time of day. During last year's Black Friday, our thread achieved an unprecedented success with nearly 3 million views. There was also tons of fun and awesome deals to be had. Time flies, doesn't it? And just like that, we're back with Black Friday 2023, and we're just as amped as you are. Brace yourselves for an array of giveaways, awesome deals, and tons of fun. You'll definitely not want to miss out on this. We're going to be having tons of giveaways, physical items, swag, free VPSs, cash, RackNerd account credits, and more. Oh, and for the bandwidth hungry, we're doubling up. Get ready for mind-blowing deals. This year, we're also going to introduce the Wheel of Savings, which will allow you to take advantage of even more discounts off your order. Our offerings come loaded with features, run on pure SSD, and leverage KVM virtualization technology for true isolation and the best performance. We're even spicing things up with some AMD Ryzen and NVMe options too. Let's be real for a second, everyone is after high performance at killer prices. And no judgment here whatsoever. We aim to deliver exactly that to you here at RackNerd's 2023 Black Friday. With RackNerd, you're going to find deals that are so unbelievable that you need to snatch them up while you still can. Also, be sure to stay active within our threads because we're going to be giving back. This will be the hottest Black Friday thread, so trust me, you're going to want to stick around. Our Black Friday deals are updated in real time on the Black Friday page, which is now live and located at racknerd.com/Black Friday. Regarding the giveaways, you're in for a treat. We have a plethora of exciting items to give back to our community, and here's the best part, absolutely no purchase is necessary to participate. Here's what we'll be giving away: a NETGEAR Nighthawk Pro Gaming XR1000 router, 2 GeekPi Raspberry Pi 4 starter kits, 1 Anker PowerHouse 521 power station, 5 RedThunder K10 LED wireless keyboard and mouse combos, 1 Entina mini 3D printer, 1 Nintendo Switch, 2 Acer 27-inch monitors, 3 Crucial X8 1 terabyte portable SSDs, 5 JBL Vibe Beam wireless headphones, 5 SwissGear RackNerd branded backpacks, 10 RackNerd t-shirts plus a RackNerd pen, 10 RackNerd gaming mousepads and a RackNerd pen, 20 RackNerd stickers and a RackNerd pen, and finally 20 RackNerd coffee mugs and a RackNerd pen. Do you have high energy and love a good party? Well, check this out. Separate from the main giveaway, which we just went over, we'll also be providing opportunities to win the following items to those who are most engaged with our thread. First place will be an MSI Thin GF63 gaming laptop. Second place will be an iPad 64GB latest generation. Third place will be a 55-inch Amazon Fire TV. Fourth place will be AirPod Pro, the latest generation. Fifth place will be a $75 RackNerd account credit. Sixth place will be a RackNerd backpack plus a RackNerd t-shirt and $50 of RackNerd account credit. The physical items mentioned can be shipped out to anywhere in the United States. The equivalent in RackNerd account credit will be provided to those outside of the United States. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is comment on the LowEndTalk thread below. At the end of the main giveaway on December 8th, 2023, we will compile a list of all the users who commented on the LowEndTalk thread and then randomize the list of usernames using a list randomizer. On the randomized list, starting from the top, we will select winners based on the order the prizes were mentioned in. For example, the first winner will win the prize that was mentioned first in this video, and so on and so forth until all winners have been selected accordingly. Winners will have 72 hours after receiving the private message to claim their prize. Winners will be sent a DM on LowEndTalk by Dustin and will be tagged publicly within the thread. As for the engagement giveaway, which is separate from the main giveaway, you might be wondering how this will be determined. Well, it's simple. We'll look at every username's post count within the thread, starting from now until December 22nd, 2023. Whoever has the most posts in this thread by December 22nd will win the MSI gaming laptop, followed by the subsequent prizes for 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th. Besides all of that, we've got some surprise giveaways planned within our LowEndTalk thread that we won't be announcing in advance. So make sure to stay engaged with our latest posts within this thread and keep an eye out for those. To join the fun, all you have to do is comment on our LowEndTalk thread, so be sure to proactively remain engaged by commenting and staying active within that thread. Once again, the link for our deals is racknerd.com/Black Friday. Thank you for watching. We'll see you around. Have fun and take care.